Okay, so imagine it's Saturday, 7 a.m. in the morning. Max is sitting with his phone in past 3 hours, like a zombie grabbing a phone. He scrolled reels after reels. He said to himself,
Ah, another day of failure. Damn, I wake up early to work, but. Shah.
Max's confidence devastated. And then the cycle repeats. कुछ रिलेटेबल फील हो रहा है ना? उस समय पर लगता है कि जैसे मैक्स को लगा जैसे दुनिया ही खत्म, उसे कुछ होगा ही नहीं. दी एंड. अगर मुझसे पूछो तो हाँ, मैंने भी ऐसा महसूस किया है. And when I goes to its core with my analysis, I'm a highly analytic person. I got the core from Sasuke. Now I know ये थोड़ा clickbait टाइप सुनने में लग रहा है. But it's extremely powerful if you use it with the right context. तो मेथड तो तुमने थंबनेल में देख ही लिया होगा. But to understand the concept, let's rewind back to Sasuke versus Rock Lee fight.
Sasuke of the Uchiha clan.
You, with the attitude.
Huh?
I want to fight, right here and right now. I challenge you, Sasuke Uchiha.
So you know me.
Everyone is always talking about the Uchiha clan and how great they are. I want to see if it is true. I figure you will be a good test for me. And also... Oh, Sakura! I love you!
You've heard of the Uchiha clan, yet you're challenging me? You must be even more psycho than you look, if that's possible.
Bring it on!
There's no time, Sasuke. We've got to register by 3 o'clock. That's less than half an hour.
Here he comes. Leap Hurricane! What's going on?
The Sharingan! Sasuke could never lose to a guy like this. No way!
So as you see, Rock Lee comes out of nowhere and bangs Sasuke in front of his crush Sakura. मैक्सिमम लोग यहाँ रॉक ली को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, which is cool, but मेरा फोकस रहा Sasuke पे. How he managed his defeat, how he managed his failures. अगर तुम भी लाइफ के स्ट्रगल्स का सामना करना चाहते हो, remember this for the rest of your life. Your perception creates reality. That is, if you have positive perception, the reality is positive as well, and hence the confidence increase. So I wanna give you 2 takeaways from this video. और इसमें से at least तुम्हें आज और better अभी apply करना होगा. Because what the value of knowledge if you don't apply this? And if you don't, then you just literally just leave this video, as this channel is for only victors and not for victims. Okay, let's begin. As you watch कि जब Rock Lee beats up Sasuke and leaves, Sasuke is smiling, and this is what most people neglect, as they lack awareness. So listen, at this moment Sasuke does a thought, no way a bush boy comes and beat me. This is impossible, no way. As we always see कि Sasuke कभी भी underconfident state में नहीं रहता. According to my perception, his thinking is similar to mine. He must be thinking, God damn, what if I reach that same level and agility of this Rock Lee? This is so fun. The exam just started and I started to feel the heat. And we all know कि कुछ ही हफ्तों बाद Sasuke surpassed Rock Lee in the battle against Gaara. Bro, अगर तुम हमें Sasuke की mentality को apply करो, then I bet you get as much result as Sasuke get. Gaara literally उस समय पे एक living monster था. And Sasuke literally took against the psychopath due to his second mindset, which is the thumbnail, aka Uchiha confidence. So now let's just go directly to this legendary concept which I found. अगर तुम मुझसे पूछो Uchiha confidence का definition क्या, तो मैं कहूँगा Uchiha confidence means you are confident because you are an Uchiha. Hear me out again. Uchiha confidence means you are confident just because you are an Uchiha. It's that simple. To further elaborate this, imagine कि तुम 3 साल के Sasuke Uchiha हो. When you look around all your brotherhood members, all are dope. Your father is the head of police. And then when you grow up, you see your older brother is literally a genius. who learn ninjutsu even before other children learn how to tie their shoes. You naturally and automatically feel that, yes, I'm the same, I'm also an Uchiha. You know, all these Uchiha elders, generation to generation, इस कॉन्फिडेंस को एक नॉर्मल स्टेट बना कर रखते हैं. एंड द रिजल्ट यू आस्क यार, Madara Uchiha, Fugaku Uchiha, Itachi, Sasuke, they all are dope. And if you ask me the practicals, here I say, जैसे कि हर Uchiha member अपने Uchiha clan को लेकर इतना self confidence है. They're gonna literally die for their clan, and this is the reason for their Uchiha max confidence. And I'm not saying that तुम अपने आप को खुद Uchiha declare कर दो, but you have to respect your bloodline as much as Sasuke, as much as Itachi, as much as Obito. You need to respect your bloodline, because your descendants are the reason you are here. Sit comfortably in your room and watching this video. Be proud of them and set your level as high as them, because at the end of the day, you are nobody but dedicated to your bloodline and humanity as a whole. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.